Okay, so previously we have learned the first derivative. Now take note, there is the second derivative. Meaning you will differentiate the first derivative for the second term. How do we write the notation? Alright, if it's a second derivative, alright, it's d square y dx squared. Or f double prime x. Alright, this is the way we write the second derivative. Of course, next time there is this thing called the second derivative test. We use it for word problem in the next topic. Alright? Okay, before you do any differentiation, always make it a point to simplify the expression, which in this case I will expand. So after that, you can just do your normal simple differentiation. Apply your normal differentiation, alright, for your first and second derivative. Okay, then we need to take a look at part 2. So take note, the keyword, there's values and they are positive. When they are positive means it must be greater than 0. I need to solve the first and second derivative for more than 0, which is what I'm going to show right now. Okay, let me solve the one for second derivative because it's linear. When it's linear, it's very easy. Am I right? Okay, we'll have 30x greater than 6. Then everything all divide by 30 on both sides. 1/5. Or 0.2. Am I right? Linear inequality, you are all fine. But when it comes to quadratic, I want you to really focus on what I'm going to do right now. Very good. Once the quadratic inequality is equated to 0, alright, you need to factorize. Okay? So you will need to factorize and get the critical value. The thing to take note, always ensure the quadratic inequality is of positive square term. Why? This is what I'm going to do right now. I need to find the critical value. What do I mean by critical value? Equate 3x equals 0, 5x minus 2 equals 0. What are the two critical value we get? We will get 0.4 and 0. Am I right? So, write the smaller number on the left. Bigger number on the right. So, these are the two critical value. Of course, you can press calculator if you want to. Then, because it's greater than 0, take note. Alright? I will like the one on top. Okay? Some of your teacher may say, oh, plus, minus, plus. Am I right? Okay? So, if it's positive, it must be the 2 on top. If it's negative, then you'll be the 1 below. So, I want the 1 on top. So, in this case, if I were to read this particular portion, x must be less than 0. Or, this particular portion, x must be greater than 0.4 or 2/5 if you want to. Okay, looking at question 2, the subject is V, the unknown is T. Okay, find the first and second derivative, equate them together to solve. Okay, after you find your first and second derivative, please equate them together to solve. So long you get to this step, you can press the calculator and give me the respective answer because this is A math. However, in the topic of cubic equation, when you need to do factorization, you need to use the factor theorem, you need to show me working. Okay? That one during remedial you will see. Just press the calculator and give me the answer.